Hi friends, welcome to or welcome back to Our Next Chapter. Join me, Paul, my wife Amber, and our pup Nova as we get our boat, Our Next Chapter, ready to go back in the water for the season. We have lots of boat jobs to do before Splash Day. Come along with us on this amazing journey that we're about to begin. Traveling, adventuring, and living aboard Our Next Chapter. Yay!
That's more like it. This is either gonna work or I'm gonna ruin the damn. Annoying.
What's annoying?
A stripped screw is annoying.
Where?
It don't matter. It's a project for another time, but
If you want it out of there, then the grinder is down there with the cutoff wheel on it. Just cut it off.
I don't think I'm capable of that.
Yeah, you are. You just grind the head off.
I don't want to.
Okay.
It's not hurting anything, it's just bugging me, that's all. Spilling diesel fuel all over. See, that's what happens when you allow yourself to take the time that you need to do the things.
Because normally you're right. I would have.
Just done it because
I'll just carry him up there.
it's faster. You mean like Dave Watson?
See, maybe it'll only take me half the time. It takes something like that's progress, if you ask me.
I see, said the blind man as he picked up his hammer and saw. Hey, I found some fuses.
Yeah.
I mean some butt connectors
Oh, where were those?
under this cushion.
I've been looking for those for a very long time.
Yes, I
You're not
was.
recording nothing you're doing.
I was recording, just not vacuuming.
Sometimes I'm not sure I'm not sure she understands this deal. Putting her pretty face on the camera.
She doesn't care.
I got fuel going in the boat. Right here. That's those. So we gotta put some fuel in the boat to get it back home, and then we have a truck. So I've got cans here siphoning fuel in. I can do 30 gallons at a time, and as you've seen on the other camera, I rigged up these winches here, and that one, my favorite little winch with the DeWalt battery that runs it. This is actually to get the dog up and down safely and easily, but I can also move this block around to help me pull the bicycles in, get them off without a straining or having a time of it. So these electric winches are earning their keep. And we're getting some fuel put in the boat. What, the camera?
Yeah.
You can have it back. It's on.
Got the notification button for the dog, but something tells me I don't have to worry about him running off.
Telling on me in there?
No, I'm talking about the dog. That's what everybody cares about. Little bitty wheels on a little bitty bar. Boat and RV curtains. Basically the same thing. Not a one-handed job. Oh boy. Need that. This little bitty doodad stops the curtain from sliding clear off the end.
What? No way.
Why are you always interrupting my videos?
Huh?
Why are you always interrupting my videos?
Sorry.
It sound like I was talking to you?
No, I was talking to me.
I know. Impeccable timing.
Oh, I got them handles on, babe. Nice. Real nice.
There you go, just like that. A little stopper at the end of the railing. Mighty nice, thanks, Mom.
Oh no.
Where are you? Underneath the bed. Underneath
There's bilge in here, but I see something hairy.
Wait. Wait for me.
I don't know what I'm seeing.
Where?
I don't have a light yet.
Where?
Oh, right beside that.
Oh, yeah. Just mildew, I think.
Oh, I don't know. I'm scared to touch it.
Don't touch it. Get a stick. It does have eyeballs.
You think it does?
It looks like a baby bunny, but that doesn't make sense.
Gosh.
Why are you sticking your hand in there?
Well, whatever I'm seeing is dead.
Hang on.
Oh, it's not. It's just part of it.
You're a weirdo. Here's the headlight.
Ow. All right, here we are underneath the boat. And one of the things that are on my list I noticed when I was doing the transmissions is that you can see right there where the prop and the nut go together right here. There's that play right there. That's not supposed to be there. So I'll tear that apart and we'll see what's going on there. So now there's no slop. I took that apart. The key looked okay. There was a little bit of wear there from it being loose, but I was satisfied that it was going to seat on that shaft okay. Just needed to be tightened up a little bit, and I'll keep a close eye on that this season and make sure that that doesn't keep wearing loose. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little secret that I use about cleaning off the side of the boat and saving a little bit of money to do it. This stuff right here, the Works toilet bowl cleaner, you can use some stuff called Zing, that's a marine product, and works really, really well. It's an acid cleaner, and it does a really good job of getting the scale and kind of the stuff that soap don't get off. That Zing does a really, really good job. It's really expensive. This stuff is a couple bucks a bottle, if it's even that. Maybe it's $1 a bottle. It's called the Works toilet bowl cleaner. You get it at, I think, Dollar General. I use 3 bottles of this instead of 3 bottles of Zing, and I don't know, it saves $100 probably. This stuff does a pretty good job. Now, it doesn't completely replace Zing if things are not good at all, but for just regular maintenance, we're stripping everything off so that we can do the waxing and polishing this year, and that does a really good job of getting the water grime off. Calcium deposit on the side of the boat that usually doesn't come off with soap. Sometimes you can polish that off or at least make it look good, but the best thing to do is get it off of there before you do your polishing and waxing. This saves us a lot of money. Just to show you real quick how grungy the bottom of this boat is, and I'm just using that Works toilet bowl cleaner. So that's how dirty it is now, and I don't know if you'll be able to see right away. Just a little bit. I mean, you don't even have to scrub, and it takes it off there. Pretty nice. And that's what that looks like after about 5 minutes or less of scrubbing. It cleans it right up. It also does a good job of cleaning it off of the trim tabs and the bracing and all of that stuff down here. The ladder, it does a good job of taking the stuff off of it. One thing I better mention though is you don't want that stuff to dry on there. You want to work pretty quick and keep it wet, otherwise it puts like a kind of a film on there or whatever. But as long as you keep moving, keep it wet, and then get it rinsed off. You want to get it neutralized with water, then you can wipe it down, or I haven't even wiped this down yet. It's just how clean it came with that little mop. And I just use a spin mop in a bucket with, like I said, I just did the whole boat from this seam down with $3 worth of the Works toilet bowl cleaner. Then it was time to start prepping for the fresh bottom paint. Anybody that's done this job knows that it's a big job, and the only way to do it is just to keep doing it for hours and hours.
Well, Paul got started on the bottom of the boat. I began tearing the vents apart from the heating and cooling system and searching for any hidden mildew from being stored over the winter, looking in all of the compartments and cabinets for any moisture problems.
Oh, you already wrapped them up. I missed it. What are you cooking?
Sweet taters.
Sweet taters on the grill. And broccoli and brats. And the boat's still on the hard. There's Nova out there doing his thing. Boat's still on the hard, but we're going to stay here tonight, huh?
Yeah, it's warm.
It's nice and warm. We're going to stay here tonight and continue to work on the bottom tomorrow and the rest. I just want you to look. Just check all this out. Anybody that does boat work or has a boat or anything off season knows that your boat becomes a total disaster when you're doing all this work, because you get everything out of all the nooks and crannies, and then it's just an absolute mess. But it'll all get cleaned up. Let's take everything out, clean all the spaces, clean all the stuff, and then put the stuff back in the spaces.